Jai Hind friend. Today we are going to talking about the growth story of Gujarat. So in this video I am going to give you some brief details of related to Gujarat. So now we are going to start this. So state of Gujarat was established on 1st May 1960 and now the population of Gujarat is 6.5 crore. After promoting ease of doing business, Gujarat is now focusing on ease of living. Guys, you know that Mahatma Gandhi was born in Gujarat, which is in Porobandar, and a people like Sardar Patel in Nadiad, he also born in Gujarat. Okay, the first CM of Gujarat is Dr. Jivraj, which take the seat of the CM on 1960. After that there are lots of CM which come into this, so I am going to take the name one by one. So after Jivraj, the name is Balwant Rai Mehta. After that Hitendra Bhai Desai. After that Ghanshyam Bhai Oja. After that Chiman Bhai Patel. After that Babu Bhai J Patel. After that Madhav Singh Solanki. After that Amar Singh Chaudhary. After that Kabil Das Mehta. After that Suresh Chandra Mehta. After that Shankar Singh Waghela. After that Dilip Bhai Parekh. After that Keshu Bhai Patel. And after that Narendra Modi had worked to that the development journey of Gujarat ahead. Sri Narendra Modi looked oath as the youngest CM of Gujarat in 2001 and served Gujarat as CM for 14 consecutive years. He became PM of India on 26th of May 2014. Sri Modi implemented various schemes in Gujarat, and now I am going to tell you about all the schemes. So the first scheme is Statue of Unity, which is in Kevadia. You know that it's a world tallest statue, which is 182 meters tall. So the second is Kranti Tirth Mandir. After that Krishi Mahotsav. After that Garib Kalyan Mela. After that Chintan Sivir. After that Jyotigram Yojana. After that Charanka Cellar Park. After that Mahatma Mandir, which is in Gandhinagar. After that Kanya Kelauni. After that Gunotsav. After that Uttararth Mahotsav, which is happen in Madira Sun Temple. After that Vibrant Gujarat Investment Summit. After that Subarmurti Riverfront, which is in Ahmedabad. After that Van Mahotsav. After that Van Bandhu Kalyan Yojana, which is for tribals, and the last one is Sagar Khedu Sarvangi Kalyan Yojana, which is for sailors. University. 7th is I Create. 8th is Indian Institute of Teacher Education University. 9th is Children's University, and the 10th is Sri Govind Guru University. You know the first female CM of Gujarat is Srimati Anandabai Patel. Anandiben Patel. She gave priority to women empowerment, and a statewide Ma Anupama Yojana was launched during his tenure. On 7th August 2016, she became Chief Minister and she committed to making Gujarat Uttam Thi Sarvottam. Okay, in last 4 years, 70,000 crores for farmers. The government gives 17,000 crores for the farmer support. In that 4,500 crores for Kisan Suryodaya Yojana. It is to provide electricity on day for farmers irrigation, and rupees 6,000 to the farmers family under Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi Yojana for more than 50 lakhs farmers. If we're talking about 2019, so in 2019 the Gujarat government gave 3,795 crore to the farmers for damaged crop due to unseasonal rain, and rupees 50,000 crore under Sagar Khetu Sharvangi Kalyan Yojana 2 for fishermen and sailors. Tribals received more than 13 lakh acres of forest land under the Forest Right Act in this area. 41 Eklavya model residential school has constructed for tribal children. The target of the Gujarat government is to provide houses to 7,64,000 families in the urban areas by 2020 under Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. And if we talk about the government job of Gujarat, so more than 2 lakh young men and women have been appointed in Gujarat services, government services in Gujarat in the last 4 years. And when we talk about unemployment rate, so Gujarat has the lowest unemployment rate in India, that is 3.5%. Gujarat became the first state to implement 10% reservation for the non-reserved loan. And we talk about loan facility, so loan facility up to rupees 10 lakh at the interest rate of 4% will provided to the non-reserved student. And if we want to go to the foreign country for study, so the loan up to rupees 15 lakh at the interest rate of 4% is provided for studying abroad. So in Gujarat, if any student who pass out from 12th, then he have gifted to tablets. So more than 9.5 lakh students have been gifted tablets. And State Yoga Board and Sanskrit Board has been set up to promote yoga and Sanskrit language. Gujarat is the first state to establish the State Yoga Board. And if we talk about the condition of the Gujarat University, so long time ago Gujarat has only 9 university, and now the Gujarat boosted 83 university into 2021. So this is the little information about Gujarat, and I give you the more information about Gujarat in the next video. So meet you in the next video, and Jai Hind.